Hey guys, so I finally got my hands on some Lorcana product. These ones I was actually able to pick up from Indigo. So they currently retail for $70 at Indigo, but they also had a 20% offer, so that brought it down to about $54, I believe. And then because I was also a Plum Plus winner, it brings about $50, and this is in Canadian dollars. So I'm keeping one for myself, and I'm going to be opening one just to see what it is. I haven't fully decided if I want to get into whole card game as of yet, but let's see what we get from this. I have honestly no idea how to play this game, but it has been fun to look at the cards, to be honest. And I also have a promo card from D23 Expo from the most recent trip last year, so we'll see what we get in that. Okay, so let's get this open. Ew. So this is a very beautiful looking box. So it has the main characters and I guess the three featured on the box. We have Maleficent, the brave little tailor, Elsa. We also have the book. And then we also have the individual cards, it looks like. So it comes with two deck boxes. One of them is, I think, Mickey. The other one is Moana. And then I think damage counters is what they describe them as. So I'll put those off to the side for now. I'm gonna say it's a very beautiful box that it comes in. So there's Moana, there's the other two characters, Aladdin, and then Aurora and Simba. There's also the rule book, which I'll have to take a read of because I honestly don't know what any of those cards are, or the rarities, but my understanding is that there's at least one foil in every pack. So we have Elsa, we have Maleficent, another Elsa, another Maleficent, a brave little tailor, Maleficent, and another brave little tailor. So, without further ado, wish me luck, and we shall see what we get. So first off, we have Dr. Facilier, Meg, Detective Mickey, Peter Pan, Simba, Hercules, Starkey, Fan to Flames, Anna. We have a Let It Go action song card, Zeus, and then Fire the Cannons as our first rare, and then Mickey Leg. Now pack number 2 featuring Elsa. So we have Magic Broom, Sudden Chill, Velocities, He's Got a Sword, Control Your Temper, Beast Mirror, Simba Rightful Heir, Cut to the Chase, Ursula's Cauldron, Fishbone Quill, Maleficent, and for our rare we have Be Our Guest. That's actually adorable. I love that. That's cool. Our next pack featuring Brave Little Tailor, so we have Dr. Facilier, Meg, Detective Mickey again, another Peter Pan, Simba, Break, Smash, Shield of Virtue, Befuddle, Grab Your Sword, Part of your world. I love that card. That looks actually nice. And then we have a Tinkerbell Tiny Tactician. Now we're on to pack 4. That's 8. So we have Friends on the Other Side, Mickey Mouse Steamboat Pilot, Magic Golden Flower, Scar, Timon, oh that's cute, Aladdin, The Beast is Mine, Eyes of the Fate, Maximus, Poison Apple, Mickey Wayward Soldier or Sorcerer, and then Simba as a foil. That's cute. Okay, now we have the 5th pack. This is also featuring Maleficent. So we have, whoopsies. So we have Friends on the Other Side, Mickey Mouse, Magic Golden Flower, another Scar, another Timon, another Aladdin, another Cheshire Cat, Belle, Maximus, Cruella de Vil, Mitri Artful Rogue, and Timon as our foil. Now we have our 6th pack, and that's also featuring the Brave Little Tailor. Okay, so now we have Magic Room, Stampede, Flounder, Tangle, Sebastian, Tinkerbell, Jasper, Aurora, Goofy, Dr. Facilier, and LeFou. And we have Peter Pan as our foil. Now we have pack 7, also featuring Maleficent. So we have the Wardrobe, Duke of Whistleton, Maleficent, Aladdin, Minnie Mouse, Cerberus, Starkey, Tigger, oh that's adorable, Pascal, Lantern, Aurora Dreaming Guardian, and Vicious Betrayal as our rare. And in our 8th pack, we have Elsa, we have Jafar, Aladdin, Jasmine, Elsa, Healing Glow, Aladdin, Tomatoa, okay that's cute, Ramatella, Mickey Mouse, Scar, Captain Hook, and Frying Pan.